Okay, the next thing that we're really going to dive into is the Creator Studio, which is actually new in YouTube. It's really just a series of existing tools that they've now put in one location. So there's a couple ways to get there. If you're at your channel, which maybe you were just kind of editing the artwork and stuff, there is a link to the Creator Studio right on your screen. You can also get to it not from here, but from here. The right-hand menu, you would click on Creator Studio. Okay, so as you can see, the menu on the left changes when you're in the Creator Studio. So there's different options that you're going to do. First, we're looking at our dashboard. And so this is showing me some recent videos that I've put up here, or I can see all of the 218 videos that I have up here. This is showing me the one weird comment that I got from a user. Yeah, that was sort of weird. So I can remove the comment as you can remove any comment that's on your YouTube channel, and you can also block users as well. This is kind of giving me analytics of like the last 28 days, how many views I've had, how much watch time in minutes. And you can customize your dashboard. So right now I only have 13 subscribers, but I have a decent number of views. But if you want to add a widget, you can do that, and you can have pretty much anything on here. So if you want to show the comments that you're getting, this is just like a quick, easy place for you to see stats and information about your channel. So whatever you want up here, you can add and it will show up on this dashboard. The meat of what we're going to be working on is the video manager. So if I click on video manager, first there's three options here. One of them is videos. The other is playlists. These are playlists that I've created. So the video section is just all of the videos that I've uploaded. So right now I have 218 videos that I've uploaded. Playlists. These are just playlists that I've created of videos on a similar topic. And copyright notices. This is just interesting to be aware of. So I have received copyright notices on 4 of my 218 videos. Now, if it was a serious infringement, you would get a notification from YouTube and they would either remove your video right away or let you know what was happening. These are just warnings. And the warnings, if I click on this one to see why, I mean, I can bet this is a slideshow, so I'm sure it has to do with music. And if I click on this, it says, well, first of all, viewing restrictions are none. It says I cannot monetize this video because of the violations that I have. And these are the violations. And so they're doing this on behalf of these basically music marketing companies. So they're basically saying these are the songs that were in there, that it's a play match for copyright infringement, and I can remove the songs from my video, or right now it says I don't really need to do anything, so I'm not going to. I'm just going to go back. But actually, let me just click on that again, because one thing that you guys may not have noticed, here's my copyright. Okay, I guess it wasn't. All right, so we're going to go back to videos now. This is where you're going to add videos, so you can upload your own videos. And so you can also manage your videos too. So if under actions, like if I was to click on some videos, I can click on actions and I can actually take multiple videos and kind of change the settings on them. So like for instance, student videos, my default is to upload that they're all of my videos are going to show up as public, which means anyone can search for these videos and view them on YouTube. But some of these right here are student videos, and often with student videos, we just need a link, and the students don't really want them searchable, so I can click on my student videos and I can change the settings for those, and I can say, you know what, make all of those unlisted. And you just say, I understand that I can't undo it. Yes, submit. And it's going to go through right now and make those unlisted. Okay, and I'm going to pause my recording. Okay, if you have a video that maybe you've made that you want to upload to YouTube, what you're going to do is just in the top right-hand corners, you're going to click on the upload button. And it's going to say, select files where you want to upload. And right here is how you're going to upload them. So you can change it right here. Even though my default is public, I can still change it right here if I want to. I'm just going to leave it as public. And I'm going to choose a video that I've made. And I'm going to click on this and say open. Now, right now, this is a public video and it's just kind of showing if I immediately want to add it to a playlist that I already have, I can do that by clicking here and just checking the box of the playlist that I want it to go to. I can actually put it in 2 different playlists if I want and just check that off. Now, when you upload a video, you can change the title of it if you want to. So it normally will take the name of the video that you have. You can edit the title if you want to. I'm just going to add a little dash there. This is where you can add a description of your video. And you can also tag it. So tagging would be like for keyword searches. So it makes it easier for people to find your video. So if my video is on, YouTube help, I might actually put YouTube help. Training, other keywords like this, teacher, technology, whatever you want. Anytime that you upload a video, you notice at the bottom it gives you different thumbnails for your video. So the thumbnail is going to be what's on the screen that people are going to see as the initial preview. So you can choose one of these. I'm going to choose this thumbnail. They give you some suggestions, or you can create a custom thumbnail if you want to with your own different picture. So you can take a screenshot from your video, or it can be maybe you have all of your videos have the same special picture as the thumbnail. Whatever you want to do with that, I'm going to use their suggestion here for this thumbnail. And I can actually go to translations and you can say, you know what, let's translate this video and do it in different languages if you want to. And then you can also go and change your advanced settings, which are some settings that we already looked at. So these are more of my default settings that I've had. I'm just going to leave everything the same. It looks good. So when the processing is done, you can go ahead and hit publish. And now this video is published. And when you publish your video, it does give you a URL for your video, as well as an embed code or the opportunity to email this video to yourself or to someone else. So let's just talk about embedding for a second. Well, actually, let's hold that off. We're going to go to return to editing. And now I'm going to go back, whoops, sorry, to my Creator Studio. So I'm going to go back where I was. And now when I go to Video Manager here, I will see here's the video that I just uploaded. So if I want to edit the video, I can go ahead and do that, where I could say, you know what, I want to change the information and settings on the video. Okay, everything looks good. I might cancel that, but this is the same menu, so you can also get shortcuts. So you can also do some enhancements on your video, so quick fixes. Okay, so let me from our last video. Right now, we're just going to have everyone go back. Let me pause that so I don't hear my voice, or at least turn the volume down. So you can trim your video here. YouTube does let you do some basic editing here of your videos. So this is really nice. So if your video, like maybe you made a mistake in it and you want to take the time to actually trim out the mistake, you can do that. If it's a little bit too dark or too bright, you can change the lighting. So it does give you that. It gives you options to add filters. You can also do blurring effects. So this is pretty nice. Once you've done that, if you made any changes, you would go ahead and hit save. And it says it might take a while. I didn't really make any changes, but if you did, it could take a while. Okay, let's go back. I'm going to go back to that screen again. Another thing that you're going to be able to see is your subtitles. So this is the closed captioning is automatically going to be done. But you can actually add subtitles too if in different languages if you want to set that right there. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so now so basically all of your videos are going to show up this way. Right now I have mine set to view the newest ones first. You can also search for any videos that you have. I mean, if I have 219 videos, maybe if I wanted to search for one on Google Classroom, I could go ahead and just type in the word classroom and see what videos come up. That these are all my videos that I've uploaded. Okay, so there's quite a few in it, but it narrows it down for you. If you come over here, the next section that we're going to take a look at is making playlists. And playlists can be made from videos that you've uploaded here in the video section, or you can make playlists entirely from videos that other people have created out there on YouTube. So that'll be our next video. Right now, if you do have any videos that you've made or that are on your computer that you want to practice uploading to YouTube, this is a time to do it, and you can add a couple videos to your channel right now.